Hello everyone, welcome to Vedantu guys. So today I am going to discuss about the very important question of the integration guys, and we have to check which option is correct, right? So according to question, we are having the limit 1 tends to 2 and the function is in mods. So you can write here x square minus 3x plus 2 dx. So it is a function guys, right? And we know that the any function is in the mod, so you can say that its value is always greater than 0, greater than and equal to 0, but not less than 0 guys, right? So after splitting, when you split, so after splitting you can write here the x square minus 2x minus x plus 2, right? It's mod dx, and you can write here 1 tends to 2 and x minus 2 and x minus 1 mod dx. Are you getting my points guys? Now you can say that x minus 2 and x minus 1 is always greater than and equal to 0, right? And we will get the two value from this equation guys. So now I am going to draw the one real line guys, okay? And first we are having the two turning point 1 and 2 guys. From this equation we will get, right? And you can say that when we put the value greater than 2, so we will get the positive term, right? And when we put the value between 1 and 2, so we will get the value negative guys, right? And when we put less than 1, so we will get the value is also positive. So you can say that we have to find out the integration of this term between 1 and 2. So it will be must, the mods will be must negative guys. So you can say that 1 tends to 2 and its value x square minus 3x plus 2 will be negative, because after checking we can say that between this interval from 1 to 2 it will be negative, it will 100% negative guys, right? Okay, and now you can take the common and you can multiply minus in the inside guys, and you can write here 1 tends to 2, so it will become x square plus 3x minus 2 dx. And now I am going to integrate all this term because it is a very simple form for the integration guys. So now I am going to integrate all this term, and we can write here the minus x square is equal to integration of x square is equal to minus x cube by 3 plus integration of x equal to, you can write here the 3x square by 2. Are you getting my points? Now you can write here the minus 2x, okay? And the limit is from 1 to 2, right? Now I am going to put the limit. So we can put first 2. So we can write here the 2 cube, it means minus 8 by 3, and after putting the 2 here, so we can write here 3 into 2 square equal to, we can write here the 12 by 2, okay, 12 by 2 and minus 4. Now when we put 1 in this all this term instead of x, so we will get minus 1 by 3 minus plus 3 by 2, okay? And because this all term sign will be opposite guys, because after putting the higher limit we will give the negative sign, because according to the concept guys. So we can write here the plus 1 by 3 and this plus become the negative guys, because according to the formula, on the basis of formula we can write here minus 3 by 2 and it will become minus 2. Now I am going to take the LCM of all this term and we will get the value 6. right? So we can write here the minus 16 and it will become the plus what, plus 36, and it will become the minus 24, okay, and it will become the 2 plus 2, and it will become the minus 9, oh okay, minus 9, right, and it will become minus 12, right? So we can write here 2 and 32 guys. So it will become plus 2 here, right, because after multiplying with minus it will become plus. So 12 plus 2 14 and 36 equal to, we can write here 50, right, and here we can write 9 and 24 and 9, we can write here the 33 and minus 16 equal to, we can write here the minus 49, and after subtracting you will get the value 1 by 6. So 1 by 6 it will be the correct answer guys. So option B is the correct answer. So thank you.